Hello again, and welcome back to the Simple English Learning Podcast. I'm David.
And I'm Anne. Okay, imagine this. You walk into a clothing store and you see the perfect jacket or the most beautiful dress. You want to buy it, but then the questions start popping into your head. What if it doesn't fit? How do I ask for a different size? What if they have it in another color? It can be a little intimidating to ask those questions in a new language.
Absolutely, but don't you worry. Today, we're taking all the stress out of shopping for clothes in English. We're going on a shopping trip, and you're coming with us. You'll learn exactly how to ask about sizes, colors, and most importantly, how to ask to try things on.
This isn't a grammar lesson, it's a real-world English adventure. So get ready to become a confident shopper. Let's go find some great outfits.
Scene. David and Anne are inside a bright, modern clothing store. David is looking through a rack of jackets.
This store has some really cool stuff.
I agree. The styles are very modern. Are you looking for anything in particular?
Yeah, I need a new jacket for the spring. Something light, but still stylish.
This section over here has some nice options. What about this one?
Anne pulls out a navy blue bomber jacket.
Oh, that's nice. I like the color. Let me see.
David takes the jacket and looks at the tag.
This is a size large. I think I might need a medium.
Let's see if we can find one.
They look through the rack but can't find another one. I don't see any other mediums here.
No problem. Let's ask for help. Look, there's a sales assistant over there.
Okay, you can ask. I always feel a bit awkward.
Don't be silly. It's easy. Watch.
Anne walks over to the sales assistant.
Excuse me?
Hi there, how can I help you?
My friend really likes this jacket, but we can't find it in a medium. Do you happen to have any more in stock?
Let me check for you. What's the item? Ah, the classic bomber. A very popular choice. Let me just scan the tag. The sales assistant uses a handheld device.
You're in luck. It looks like we have one medium left in the stockroom. I can go grab it for you if you'd like. That would be wonderful. Thank you so much.
No problem at all. I'll be right back. The sales assistant goes to the back. Anne returns to David. See? You made that look so easy.
It is easy. You just have to be polite and clear.
What did you say exactly?
I just said, excuse me, do you have this in a medium? Simple as that.
I need to remember that.
While we wait, is there anything else you're looking for?
Well, I could use a new shirt to go with the jacket.
Good idea. Let's look at these button-up shirts.
I like this striped one. It's very classic.
That would look great on you. What do you think of the color?
I like the blue and white stripes, but I wonder if they have it in any other colors.
Let's check the rack. Sometimes they group them by style.
Oh, nice. I actually think I like the green one better.
It's a really nice shade of green. It would suit you.
Okay, I'll grab this in a medium as well. The sales assistant returns with the jacket.
Here you are, one medium bomber jacket.
Oh, perfect. Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. The fitting rooms are just at the back to the right if you'd like to try anything on.
Great, thank you. I think I will.
He's going to try on the jacket and the shirt.
Sounds good. Let me know if you need anything else. Will do. Thanks again. David and Anne head towards the fitting rooms. Okay, wish me luck. I hope they fit.
I'm sure they will. I'll wait out here.
All right, I'll be quick. David goes into a fitting room. A few moments later, he comes out wearing the shirt and jacket. So, what's the verdict?
Wow, David. That looks fantastic on you.
Really? You don't think the jacket is too tight?
Not at all. It fits you perfectly. The sleeves are the right length and it sits nicely on your shoulders.
Okay, good. And the shirt?
The shirt is great too. The color is even better than I thought it would be.
Awesome. I feel really good in this. The jacket is super comfortable.
It's a definite keeper. You should get both.
I think I will. This is a successful shopping trip.
I told you it would be.
Okay, I'm going to change back. I'll meet you at the cash register.
Sounds like a plan.
David changes. They meet at the checkout counter.
Hi again. Did everything work out for you?
Yes, it was perfect. I'll be taking both of these, please.
Excellent choice.
The sales assistant scans the items.
Your total today will be $125.50.
Okay. Do you accept credit cards?
We certainly do.
David pays with his card.
Would you like your receipt in the bag or with you?
In the back is fine. Thank you.
All right, here you are. Thank you for shopping with us today. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too.
Thanks again for your help.
David and Anne leave the store with the bag. I can't believe it. I actually enjoyed that.
See? Shopping in English isn't so scary.
You were right. It's all about knowing a few key phrases.
Exactly. And now you have a great new outfit.
I do. Thanks for your help, Anne. I couldn't have done it without you.
Anytime, David. That's what friends are for.